The course was really flexible as I was able to do a course in April and my second week in July.
Because of personal reasons, I did miss a couple lessons and they were very, very accommodative and they went back and taught me everything that I needed to.
I think Immerse has combated the stereotype of it's harder to learn online than in the classroom by having interactive activities.
I really wanted to mention the workshops because they genuinely gave me such huge insight and practical advice as well for adaptable skills, academic, applicable professional skills that I could use for university applications.
I found the classes very interactive. I was able to work one-on-one with my tutor, which meant that I was able to ask the questions which I found most important, and it allowed me to go more in depth into the questions that I was most interested in.
About the other members in the program and the people that I was grouped with, it was really exciting to meet people from far away. I met people from India, Portugal, and it was almost like an interconnectivity, and I met a lot of people that I still know and I still actually talk to quite well.
Some things that surprised me, I didn't expect to make this many friends in a short amount of time, and even if it was just on Zoom, it was one of the best experiences of my life.
I would 100% recommend the online research program purely because I felt that it was very personal to me.
I enjoyed how in-depth it went into medicine. I didn't expect it to go beyond the knowledge of the A-level or college-based information, but I found it very exciting how much exposure they gave us to things that we probably wouldn't have learnt in school or even A-level.
Go for it and just do the online research program because it's 1, really enjoyable, 2, you learn a lot, and 3, it's just, it's like a really good life experience.